It's not every day you have the CEO of Milltek installing your exhaust.
This is true. Especially at 5 o'clock in the morning.
That would never happen. This is the first and last time Steve's doing this at 5 in the morning. Oh.
I'll take your hands off.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to see how hot the front is now.
Rest perfectly on your shoulders. I don't have to do anything. Look.
Red ones mean that they're tight.
Details on this kit, Steve.
It's epic. So you have twin 3-inch full T304 stainless pipework from the front to the back, TIG welded on all of the key connections, lightweight 8mm machine bullet brackets. You have the true rear bypass. When the valves are open, it completely bypasses the rear muffler. Works really well with our active valve control as well.
Sweet.
It's probably worth having an extra pair of hands on that bit in case.
Oh, okay. Significantly lighter. Pretty level. Yeah, my like, is that a circle?
Yeah,
So like the ones.
What you think?
It's good.
It's good.
Sounds great. And now we do the fun part.
Got it. Alright guys, so we are back from Knoxville. Milltek Exhaust has been on this car for almost a week now. So I'm going to give y'all a breakdown on how the remote system works, and I'm going to give y'all some sound clips. Okay, so you have mode 1. I don't know if y'all can see that. Focus. Mode 1, the exhaust is open. You can hear it. Mode 2, it's closed. Pretty big difference. Then mode 3 is whatever the factory stuff is set to. So if you're like not in M mode, the car is pretty quiet. So press the M1 button, it's loud. So all preference thing. You can configure it however you'd like while you're driving, you know, just have a little key fob, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to start in mode 2, which is valves closed, and with it not in M mode, so there's no pops, it's just closed. So this is its quietest, most simple form right now. So that's valves closed, not in M mode. So I'm gonna switch it to M mode real quick, which will turn on the pops and stuff. Can't really hear it from inside, but outside you can hear it. There's a lot of crackles and stuff. but it's not as noticeable with the valves closed. And it's still not uncomfortable to drive around and insanely loud. But now, since we're out on the road, I'm going to switch it to valves open. So right now, valves are open. It's not in M mode. It's loud, but there's no pops or crackles, burbles, whatever you want to call them. You can definitely tell on the windows now. But honestly, inside the car, it's not loud. Outside the car, it's very loud, which is exactly what you want. So right now, valves are open. It's not in M mode. It's loud, but there's no pops or crackles, burbles, whatever you want to call them. You can definitely tell on the windows now. But honestly, inside the car, it's not loud. Outside the car, it's very loud, which is exactly what you want. I think we drove 14 hours with this all the way back home with the valves open and never got annoying. So I'm going to switch to M mode now, so we'll have some pops on the way back to the shop. And that's pretty much the gist of it. Mode 3 just switches back and forth between how you have the car set up, so the sound isn't any different. It's just a different configuration for not using the switch itself, so you can just put it in M mode and then it's, valves are open. So that's it for the G80 M3 Milltek system. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope this is helpful for some of y'all in the market for an exhaust. But anyways, that's it for this video. We will see y'all in the next one.